Mr. Thomas, your internet history will be public if you don't verify your identity.
My internet history? What do you mean?
We blocked your internet due to unusual logins from Australia and Canada.
Blocked? I didn't do anything.
Someone tried to access your data. Your accounts may be compromised.
That sounds bad. What should I do?
You must verify your identity fast, or worse will happen.
I'm not sure. That sounds fishy. Which department are you from?
I'm calling from a tech support team that monitors internet safety issues.
Okay, but how do I know this is real?
Sir, if you don't act now, your accounts may be permanently lost.
I'm sorry, but this sounds like a scam.
Please don't ignore this alert.
I am sending your number to the authorities. I am ending the call.
It's very serious.
Don't ever call me again.
If you don't act now, your accounts may be permanently
You are a
lost.
scammer. I'm reporting your number to the authorities. Goodbye.